A guide to Betterment notifications is designed to help users navigate and understand the various alerts and messages they receive from the Betterment platform. To start with, it is essential to understand what Betterment is, which is a financial advisory company that provides investment and retirement guidance to its users. The first step in utilizing Betterment notifications is to set up a Betterment account and customize notification preferences. Users can choose to receive notifications via email or within the Betterment app, and can select the types of notifications they wish to receive, such as portfolio updates, transaction confirmations, and market news. One key concept to understand is the different types of notifications that Betterment sends. These include account notifications, which provide updates on account activity, such as deposits and withdrawals, and portfolio notifications, which offer insights into investment performance and portfolio rebalancing. To get the most out of Betterment notifications, it is crucial to understand how to interpret and act on them. For instance, if a user receives a notification that their portfolio is out of balance, they can log into their account and rebalance their portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with their investment goals. Best practices for managing Betterment notifications include regularly reviewing notification settings to ensure they are up to date and relevant, and taking prompt action on notifications that require attention, such as confirming transactions or updating account information. In addition to these practical tips, it is also important to be aware of the security measures that Betterment has in place to protect user accounts and data. This includes two-factor authentication, encryption, and regular security updates, all of which help to safeguard user information and prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps and guidelines, users can make the most out of Betterment notifications and stay on top of their financial situation. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding and utilizing Betterment notifications can help you achieve your financial goals and make more informed investment decisions.